This is a hard topic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit special because I am going to speak in English during this video. Because of what? Because I am going to react a video that is trending these days, which is trending on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, and all of the Malaysians are talking about this and they are a bit disagree with these videos, which was posted by Al-Jazeera. So the video is regarding about how Malaysian's government handling immigrants during this pandemic. So since it was trending on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube, they were talking about these issues, and I read all of the comments saying that the immigrants claim that Malaysians are being racist towards immigrants. So here I am today. I am going to react on the video, the video is quite long, which is around 25 minutes, and I won't react that long. So I'm going to choose which one I want to react on. So let's start. Okay, let's watch.
When you look at these raids, you can't help but think, is this the practical reality of dealing with a pandemic, or is it racism?
I learned here. Foreigners have a value just like a dog only.
How is that you call it as racism when Malaysian's government are just trying to take care of you? They are just trying to protect you from creating a new cluster. You get what I mean? Like, how are they? Why would you say that it's racist? They are just trying to protect you, aren't they? And why are you saying that like a dog? Wow. Okay. Relax, Fara, relax.
Kita selamatkan mereka, tempatkan di tempat yang terbaik untuk menjaga kesihatan mereka.
We're within our rights to report from here.
Lockdown area. Off your camera.
Okay, that is that 1 minute videos. Alright, so let's see the real videos that they post. Alright.
We're not allowed inside these fenced-off areas, but phone footage from local residents gives us a glimpse inside the crackdown. Shortly after one raid, I speak with 2 migrants from Bangladesh.
Kita bisa berbicara di sini?
One of them tells me he's afraid to leave his apartment because he doesn't have a valid work permit. He managed to avoid arrest by hiding.
We've been trying to get witness testimony from people, but as you can see, there's police there. We can't get through the wire. I've got my ID. Look, this is my ID. I'm from the press. Again.
This is lockdown area. No camera, please.
But we're within our rights to report from here.
Oh, yeah. But this lockdown area. Off your camera, please.
Verified their documents.
My daughter is still scared. She stopped laughing. She said maybe they come
This is an
again.
immigrant.
Even we have a valid documentation. They are not respecting us as a human. I learned here. Foreigners have a value just like a dog only.
Malaysia's economy depends on 2.2 million migrant workers, but it's estimated another 4 million are here illegally, taking the dirty, dangerous jobs few locals want. They are often trafficked by agencies who exploit and trap them in a cycle of debt. Soon after the pandemic was declared, Malaysia's Defence Minister Ismail Sabri Yaakob offered them amnesty so they would come forward and be tested for the virus.
Kita tidak fokus kepada dokumen perjalanan mereka, tetapi kita fokus kepada sama ada mereka ini bersih daripada COVID-19 ataupun positif dan sebagainya. Kita hanya ingin membuat saringan dan selepas itu mungkin paling ekstrim pun adalah
good already?
Kuarantin yang akan dilaksanakan. Itu saja.
Like the Malaysian's government don't even care about the documentation. What they care is just your health. They just want to check if you come here illegally, they still check your health. They still test whether you got COVID or not. It doesn't matter if you are undocumented or documented. Like, what else? What else you want?
Houses. The Bangladeshi migrant shows me footage of what happened here after the area was locked down behind razor wire. Raihan says when he heard a knock on his apartment door, he thought it was government workers coming to test for COVID-19 or deliver aid. Instead, over the next few days, almost 600 residents were rounded up, put in trucks and taken away.
They make a trap for us. They give food, they give medication, all things they give. So no one expecting they were going to arrest the people. They are not murderer. They are not criminal. They are just undocumented.
Dude, undocumented means that it's illegal and it's against the law. You know, I think they have the right to cuff you. I don't how. If some of the immigrants are questioning like why only their area have barbed wires, why not the rest? It is because the area that you are staying is affected and it has the highest infection rate in the state compared to the rest, compared to the other states. That is why they put barbed wires, not because of they purposely want to put barbed wires because of you are immigrants. No, that is because they want to protect you from spreading the COVID-19, from making new cluster. Wow, really?
Raihan and I meet another Bangladeshi detained in the ranks. He's been working in Malaysia for over 20 years. First in construction and hotels, then he started his own business in Silicon Valley. But his visa expired during the lockdown when it was impossible to renew it. Farhad says if the authorities aim to contain the virus, crowding people together in immigration trucks is counterproductive.
Okay. Wow. Lawyer.
His company got bankrupt. His company got bankrupt? Then was also hiding. His visa cannot be renewed. He cannot go back to Bangladesh because he had to loan money and everything. So he became undocumented. Okay, did he attempt to go to the Labour Department to file a case against his employer? The thing is, the people like that who are working here, labor here, how they know the things? They don't know. So either anyway, doesn't have to be anyway. So there is no visitation to any of the detention centres. It's not only for foreign nationals, even the lawyers cannot go into the detention centres to see their clients because it's all closed for now. There's little he can do.
See, even the lawyers can't help him because of I don't want to talk about this. Next text.
When I come here, I become emotional. It's unbearable for me. I cannot meet him. I don't know he is eating or not. I cannot give him the food. I'm very much worried about him.
Raihan came to Malaysia 6 years ago to start.
You don't need to worry about his eating or not. This is a hard topic for me to react, you know. Okay, I am sympathy for him because he needs to go through all of this. I am sympathy with him. I feel a bit sorry for him, but I am sorry, law is a law. You can't.
And now works in marketing. He says he loves his job and living here. But this crackdown has changed the way Raihan sees the nation and made him think about leaving.
This is a clear act of racism. That's the thing. A clear act of humiliating people. So that's why I
is
feel
that
scared about the future of the migrant people.
Like-
I don't think that the people will give their trust again for the government because they will afraid.
Detention centres
Not only Malaysia who do this. You get what I mean? Not only Malaysia, I think the rest, like all the countries in this world, will act the same way. They will enforce the law. If you are illegal, meaning you are illegal, you can't do anything about it. If the police arrest you, they have the right to arrest you because you are undocumented people. Undocumented. So
now become hotspots for COVID-19, with more than 700 reported cases. Rights advocates say the recent influx of migrants into these already crowded facilities has created perfect conditions for the virus to spread. But Malaysia's Defence Minister rejects the criticism.
Kita selamatkan mereka, tempatkan di tempat yang terbaik untuk menjaga kesihatan mereka. Jadi, kalau nak kata kajian Malaysia tidak berperi kemanusiaan kepada parti ini juga tidak betul. Kalau berlaku peningkatan, kita dah ada
Only state media were allowed into government press conferences. Several requests to
Indonesia.
She found a cleaning job at a restaurant, but her Malaysian employer didn't want to apply and pay for a visa on her behalf.
Susahlah, kami faham sebab kami yang duduk di Malaysia ni kami salah, tidak buat permit. Jadi kami faham kalau kita yang salah.
Before the pandemic, she was earning $9 a day. Now she earns nothing.
Sedihlah, satu keluarga semua rasanya setiap hari menangis. Tak boleh kirim kampung dengan mak bapak kita sebab saya pun ada anak dekat kampung, kami tidak boleh kirim duit. Suami saya dia kerja kontrak buat rumah, tapi dikarenakan tidak boleh bekerja, saya punya suami juga tak dapat duit lah, dia cuti. Jadi kita tidak punya penghasilan.
With her meagre savings depleted, Ruhima is now one of the many thousands of migrants starving across the city. All the people in her housing block are also out of work. She lives in this cramped space with 9 others.
Hanya bisa berdoa semoga wabah COVID-19 cepat berlalu, semoga negara kita cepat pulih kembali seperti biasa. Anak pun kita sangat susah.
Someday
For that akak Indonesia's case, if you are saying that Malaysians are racist because of don't allow them to work or what not, that is totally wrong. It's not only immigrants who can't work during the pandemic. Even Malaysians also can't work during the pandemic. Even Malaysians also are affected. Their business are affected. They can't pay their workers. Not only immigrants workers, okay, but also Malaysian workers. Malaysians who are like working with big company, but still their company can't sustain them, so they need to fire them. So it's during the pandemic time, you know, like everyone is struggling to live their own life. This is what happens. Saying that only immigrants are facing this problem, no, you are totally wrong, because all of the Malaysians are losing their jobs, losing their business, shut down their business. So yeah, I think that's all in that video. Why Malaysians governments acting that way? It is because they had to put them in the custody to avoid from the COVID to spread, to avoid from an increase of domestic cases. You get what I mean? In fact, our government on 2018, we have spent around 25 million per month to give them food, to give them medical places to stay, and that is a month, and it was on 2018. Can you imagine? Now it's 2020, and during this pandemic, how much our government already spent? Yeah, I don't know how they say that it's humiliated them. They feel like they are like dogs. They feel like Malaysians are disrespecting them. I don't get it. Where, how, I don't know lah. I don't know how they feel. Wait, during this pandemic, not only immigrants are locked down, you know, but also I as a Malaysians are locked down in my house. I can't go out, I can't buy groceries, I can't hang out with my friend, which I can't even talk with anyone. I can only communicate with my colleagues, with my friends through Zoom, through WhatsApp. We can't even like have this face-to-face conversation. All of us are facing the same thing, which means all are restricted. All had the same restrictions. We can't go out. Our frontliners are doing their job. They're protecting us. That must be a reason, and it's not only applicable for immigrants. Even I as a Malaysian, I also need to stay at home, cannot go to work, cannot drive, cannot talk to strangers because of the pandemic. What I can say is all of us are facing the same thing, not because of you are immigrants, you get what you deserve. No. Please bear on your mind that our frontliners are doing a great job during this pandemic. They are good. We should appreciate them, right? If I was wrong, please correct me. I need to know. And yeah, I think that's all for this week. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. See you guys again. Bye. I love Malaysia. Ooh.